What's going on, peeps? I don't know how good I look right now. Yeah, it's pretty decent. What the hell is that shit on my head? Oh, feels like there's something on my head. There's nothing on my head. Welcome back to another day in London. We are detailing this beautiful M4 hard top, drop top. I don't know if that's what you guys call it, but I'm gonna call it that. She's a bit filthy. She is a bit filthy. So, let's get to it. Just got the generator warming up in the background. Dear God, look at the state of this. Oh my. Alright. Goddamn. Santa Claus doesn't look too bad. So it just tells me that it's mostly, you know, bottom tier, bottom layer stuff, if that makes sense to anyone. So it's not like the car's dirty, much dirty from up here onwards. It's dirty from below. No problem, nothing we can't handle. So let's get to it. So guys, if you have watched the video all this way up until now, check out these 50/50s. And while you're doing that, please consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking. All these things help a lot. Please, please, please. If you could do that, that would be absolutely amazing. And yeah, this is the little 50/50 going on here in the background. And thank you so much for your views. Appreciate it. See you guys on the next one. So that's a little demonstration of the citrus pre-wash. Check it out, peeps. Got the foam on there, got the citrus pre-wash on there. She looking good. So this car is parked in a underground, well, a covered garage. Whether it's underground doesn't matter, but it's got lots of water spots where from the concrete it's leaked on. There's a massive patch there, and there's more on the boot as well. So I'm going to look around on the boot. Now, I tried basic, you know, what do you call it? I mean, you can see the white marks as well. Water spot remover from G-Technic didn't do the trick. This is really baked on stuff, so we'll tell the client about that. There's a few spots here as well. We'll tell the client about that. They're probably going to need polishing up. Anyway, let's get the protection on there. So when you're on a bit of a cruise control, if you notice, this side is very shiny. This side isn't so much, because if I can get it to focus, it's hard to pick up. But we've got protection on here. Right? Might be able to see it there. Yeah. So I'll wiped all the way around. Excuse me. I've got this quarter left. But yeah, when you're on cruise control, it's hard to remember to make videos. So let me move my finger out of the way. Got some pure water here. That is what we're dealing with. It is a sealant, not a wax. It's very important. Also, the car is quite contaminated. That's a bit of sealant left over. But overall, it's pretty good. Let's see what kind of protection we have. Yeah, pretty good. Not going for beads. It's a sealant, like I said. So it's good. Makes the the car feel, oh, not feel, but like it's very loose. Get the extra sealant off, which is very important. The looser the car, excuse me, how do I do this? The looser the car, the better the protect. The looser it is, the more protection, in my opinion, it gives, because things don't get stuck to it because it's loose. It's harder for things to get stuck to it. So yeah, cool beans. Let's do. We've got the tyres left to do to dress. We'll clean up and we're out of here. Okay, let's have a quick look on the interior. See what we are dealing with. That's lovely. That's beautiful. That's gorgeous. That's nice. That's better. If I can close this off. That's better. No finger marks. Lovely jubbly. Let's have a quick look on the outside too. So we did the standard on this bad boy. It feels super sleek and silky. That's the most important thing. The silkier it is, the sleeker it is, the more loose it is, and the more loose it is, the longer it takes to get dirty, because it's loose. Things just fall off of it. If something's rough, it holds on to everything. Let's have a quick look around on the interior and the passenger side too. Beautiful. Using little brushes to get into those areas there, and obviously the seats as well. Lovely. Let's take some photos.